gonna be prepared.
All right, let me tell you about the house real quick before we go inside. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a little bit above 1,100 square feet. The seller is asking $400,000. I did run the comps. They're actually decent, depending on the work here. They're about 530.
Okay, let's check it out.
You see the lockbox?
No, where did they say it was?
Let me see. Text me. Enter the house through the garage door. The keys to the front door are in the piano.
How would somebody put the keys in the piano?
I don't know.
Ew, what's going on in there? There's no piano in there.
This is dirty.
What the heck why is there a wall between the garage? You can't even park in
Oh,
here.
the garage goes deeper. Look at this. They even put a real door.
Oh my God, I feel like all the walls are gonna come caving in.
Maybe this is just open?
Oh God. Oh my God, that's not even funny. Holy.
That's almost as bad as the turkey house.
I'm honestly gonna throw up.
Oh my God. Oof. Small kitchen. All right, I already know you're gonna want to remove the wall, and it's gonna be load bearing, so figure $5 grand. Oh, it's getting worse.
Ew, what is that? What are these?
I mean, if you look at this house, there's just nastiness everywhere where there's like poop, there's like cat litter.
And then fur and fleas.
But honestly, it's not the look, it's the smell. It is disgusting.
Rancid.
Oh, there's the piano.
Are the keys in it? Ew, the carpet is so gross.
Why would they put the house keys in the piano that's inside the house? The smell's worse over here. Let's get some air flowing through here. Oh, I'm out.
Open the door. Oh, I can't.
There's like 19 keys. Come here.
Why are there so many keys?
Pick one.
I don't know. It's not that one. Keep going.
You can't throw the keys.
Keep
It's
going.
not our house.
It's not opening. I mean, not. It's sweaty.
Finally.
Oh.
Took you long enough. Oh, don't touch me with that stuff.
Oh. Ah.
Just get out. It
I can't
smells.
freaking get out. I'm not kidding. Oh my God. The cat houses are always bad because there's just like so much urine and odor and the second you see one of those scratcher things, you know it's over.
And you know what I'm getting her for Christmas, right?
Such a sweetie.
I know I am.
Okay, well, I'm about to put the suit back on, but
Are you really putting that on? Come on.
I'm honestly too hot, but
hot.
I am putting these on.
Let's go. Come on, we have a job to do. Oh, you can smell it.
Oh, man, I think you like it.
Yeah, I do. I'm enjoying this, actually, because you hate it.
Oh,
It's making it that much better for me.
God. Oh.
It doesn't look that
That
bad.
doesn't look that bad. Look at the ceiling. That's like a new species up there that's growing. Anyways, in here, what do you think, 7,000?
Yeah.
This house smells so bad, we have to do something to get rid of it.
Right, plus it's a tiny house. We still have to remove the kitchen wall, and then we have the 2 bathrooms we have to completely gut. And because it is small, we have to figure out how to make it light and bright so at least it appears bigger.
Well, maybe there's a way that we can make the bathrooms bigger themselves.
What do you think? How much is it gonna run?
As of right now, you guys are looking at 75 grand.
75?
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like 400,000 for this house might be too much.
We can come in at 370, Stevie counters.
I think 370 might just like freak him out a little bit, so maybe 380, best and final.
Okay, so if we pay 380 after closing costs, we're gonna have a break even of about $480,000.
Yes.
If we sold for 530, it's still 50. I mean, it's not a
Right.
huge profit. There's a lot of risk with this house because of the market.
I don't mind walking away from this one, so just stick with 380.
Just because you said that, I want to buy this house.
Perfect. All right, keep me posted.
With all the issues with this house and that nasty cat smell, we were able to get the seller to accept our offer at $380,000. But because the comps are in the 530 range, the margin's probably gonna be pretty slim. So we have to be careful and keep the cost down. Ooh, that is nasty. Doesn't look good. Flat panel cabinets in here? Hey, what do you think?
Hi. Gosh, what a transformation.
Yeah, I mean, it's a bit white, but once we get the flooring and the backsplash in, it'll bring a lot of color in. Plus, we still need to paint.
You guys,
What?
What?
everything's gone.
What do you mean gone?
My tools are gone. There was laminate here. The tile was here. Ah, God. Dude, somebody busted the lock off. So that means
We got jacked. That's what it means. It means that we just lost thousands of dollars. It's very violating when someone comes in and steals your stuff.
And unfortunately, that's just the risk you take when we're flipping because it's just a target for thieves. They know that no one lives there, and unfortunately, it's something that's happened fairly often to us.
All right, so there's nothing we can do. They took all the materials, so we have to buy new material now.
Those beautiful laminate floors and that cool backsplash that we got such a deal on are getting reordered and delivered. So much for saving money. First, let's talk shower walls. One, we could do that entire wall with this design and the rest like a 12 by 24 white. Or we can do this design and lay them in the pattern, multiple colors.
This would look killer.
Cool. And I was thinking we do white cabinets, black counters. That's gonna look killer. That's gonna be amazing.
Okay.
Cool.
Yup.
What the heck is this thing? Why is it so small?
There's no room.
And why, what's up with this side thing? Like,
There's no room.
what do you mean? Why couldn't this have been bigger? It looks like a bathroom on an airplane. There's not even a spot to put like towels.
We could put storage cabinets up top, but that's...
Storage cabinets, you need a mirror.
And then how about over there?
Okay.
Shelves or storage?
Shelves. What happened? Didn't you communicate with Jeff?
Well, there's nothing we could have done. There's no space.
This could potentially affect the sales price. Do you think houses in this area have bathrooms that have vanities that are this tiny? I almost feel like we need to go look at a comp in the area and see what their bathrooms look like.
I mean, I guess we have no choice. Here it is. This is about 2 miles from our house. It's the closest comp I can find. So ours is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1120 square feet. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1118 square feet. They're asking $465,000.
Based on this, what do you want to list our house at?
$574,900.
It's a lot higher than this one.
I mean, is our house worth $100,000 more? I think so. Our design, way nicer. Attention to detail, way better. We actually redid the backyard, way better. Our house is brand new. It's super nice. We're gonna get it staged. It's gonna show way better than this house, better location.
It's worth a shot. It's definitely come a long way.
Love this. Oh, that looks awesome.
Wow, the staging looks great.
I still can't believe, like, when this house was built, they had a wall here. It looks so much better.
Love the backsplash. It's my favorite part. I like how we wrapped it around the window.
We did get jacked, remember?
Yeah,
But house looks great.
it does. It looks beautiful. Let's check out the backyard. There's a lot of mulch. Did you tell Jeff to just mulch the whole yard?
I think it looks nice.
Yeah, it looks a lot better. All right, our bathroom situation.
It looks better that it's done. It does look better.
It's a little odd, but I mean, compared to the other comp we saw, I still think we're nicer. I love how that shower wall turned out. The design looks beautiful. Works for a kid's room or an office. And this bedroom's bigger than the other one.
So the master is a good size.
I love how they staged the scene area with the pillows, makes it look so warm and welcoming. Adding the shelves there was such a good idea. It almost like you kind of don't even look at the sink because your eyes are drawn to this. Thankfully, we were able to expand the shower. It's so nice. Yep.
All right, here we go.
I like the color of the house.
Cabinets are very cool. Got the nice flat finish.
Beautiful, beautiful, man.
The house showed great, but as expected, we did get mixed reviews on the bathroom vanities.
It's a little small, but I think it's good for like, you know, like a starting family.
You've got the faucet on the side. That's very unique. Custom.
In the end, after about a month on the market, we received an offer at $570,000, which is right under the asking price, and we accepted.